In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Wrike. Whether you're completely new to Wrike or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will show you how to set up a new project from scratch, step by step, so you can start organizing your work right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. Once you're in, look for the section called Spaces. Spaces are like big containers that group related projects and folders for a team, department, or initiative. Choose the space where you want your new project to live. This is important because it helps keep your work organized and easy to find later. Inside your chosen space, you'll see an area that lists existing projects and folders. Here, look for a small plus icon next to the project and folder area. This plus sign is your starting point for creating anything new. Go ahead and click that plus icon. By doing this, you're telling Wrike that you want to add a new item under this space. After clicking the plus sign, Wrike will open a small window or panel where you can enter the details for your new project. The most important thing here is the project name. Click into the field where it asks for the project name and start typing. Choose a name that clearly describes what the project is about. For example, instead of just calling it marketing, you might name it Q3 Marketing Campaign or Website Redesign Project. Using a specific and descriptive name will make it much easier for your teammates to recognize and search for the project later on. It's also a good idea to follow any naming conventions your team already uses, such as including dates, client names, or departments. Take a moment to double check the spelling and make sure the name is accurate. This is a simple step, but it can save confusion down the line, especially if you work with a large team or handle many projects at once. Once you're happy with the project name, look for the button labeled Create. This button confirms your choices and actually builds the new project in your selected space. Click on Create. Wrike will now generate your new project and add it to the project list in that space. From here, you can start adding tasks, assigning work to team members, setting due dates, and building out the structure of your project. But with these simple actions, you've successfully created a new project in Wrike.